Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ibiwari John. Still on the series of exponential equations. Today we are looking at some more examples different from those of our previous video. Okay, so the first example here says we're going to solve for x. It says 0.25 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to, let's say it's equal to 16. Let's say it's equals to 16. Okay? So to solve this, let's say we can express this as a fraction. So if we solve this as a fraction, we have 25 over 100. Then we have x plus 1 equals to 16. If you don't know how to change decimals to fraction, you can see our videos on converting decimals to fraction and fraction as well to decimal. Okay? Then we can reduce this to its simplest form. This is 1 over 4. 25 here is 1, 25 here is 4, raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to 16. Okay? So using the law, record this law, a raised to the power minus 1 is the same as 1 over a. So 1 over 4 will be the same thing as 4 raised to the power minus 1. So here we have 4 raised to the power of minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay? And this is equal to, we can also write 16 as base 4, which is 4 raised to the power of 2. Okay? So solving this using the law of a m n is the same thing as a m times n. Okay, so using this law here, this times this, so this is going to multiply this, so we are going to get 4 raised to the power of minus 1 times x gives us minus x, and then minus 1 times minus 1 times plus 1 gives us minus 1. Let's take that again. Minus 1 times s gives us minus s. Minus 1 times plus 1 gives us minus 1. And then it's equals to 4 raised to the power of 2. By application, we have, since this is equal to this, it must be that these powers are equal, the exponents are equal. So we have x minus 1 is equal to 2. So solving this, we have that minus x is equals to 2, and this goes here plus 1. So here we have minus x is equals to 3. Alright, now we can eliminate this minus from here by multiplying both sides by minus 1. Multiply both sides by minus 1. So we have minus 1 times minus x gives us x is equals to minus 1 times 3 is equals to minus 3. So that's the solution to this particular question. So let's see the second question. Number 2 says 10 raised to the power minus x is equal to 0 0.0000001. 1 2 3 4 5, I think 1 2 5. Good. So to solve this, you write 10 over minus s. We can express this number in standard form. If you don't know what standard forms are, you can see our videos on standard forms and get full knowledge on that. Okay, so standard forms, changing this to standard form, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 10 raised to the power of minus 6 for this number in standard form. So comparing both sides, we have that x is equal to 6. So here is 10, here is 10, here is minus, here is minus. It must be that s is 6. Okay, that's very easy. So in case you don't know how to do standard forms, you can see our videos on standard forms. Alright, then lastly we have number 3. It says 2 raised to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 8 raised to the power of x. Good. This we can write again as 2 raised to the power of x plus 4. We can write 8 in the base 2. So this becomes 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8, and then x. Good. So this is 2 raised to the power x plus 4, and this is equal to 2 raised to 3 times x, 3x. Applying this law, okay, we get this. Then we can say by implication that this is s plus 4 equal to 3x. Okay, so taking x here, we have 4 is equal to 3x minus x. So when positive x crosses this to this other side, becomes minus x. So here we have 4 is equal to 3x minus x is 2x. So we divide both sides by 2, so we have 4 over 2 is equal to 2x over 2. So 2 goes out with 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, is equal to s. So we can write it the other way around by saying therefore x is equal to 2. Alright, I believe our exponential equations are becoming very simple for you to handle via our videos. So in our next video, we'll be seeing how exponential equations can lead us to quadratic equations. Ensure you follow so that you get the best of this topic. Don't forget to like and to share. See you in our next video. Bye.